This guy made $6 million just by holding Tesla shares. Um, as we can see on our screen here, he has almost $8 million worth of Tesla in his Fidelity portfolio. He has 7,640 shares of Tesla. So he initially had an investment of right around $2 million worth of shares, and now he turned that 2 million into almost 8 million, a $6 million gain, or 313%, which is 4xing your money. So obviously, a lot of money, and not many people have this type of capital to throw into a stock. But this was a huge gamble for him, putting that much money into a single stock, especially Tesla. Back then, it was considered a risky investment, but it definitely paid off in the long term. And he's definitely still holding this stock, as we can see here. So Tesla, it's sitting right around $1,000 per share. It had a pretty good run up this past month or so. And as you can see on the 5-year chart, the price action of Tesla is pretty. We can see some notable patterns here. It likes to run up a bit, and then once it runs up, it does pull back to some safer levels. So every single time it runs up, it has some healthy pullbacks. And right now, in the month of November, it had a huge run up to $1,200 per share, 1243. And now we're seeing some pretty healthy pullback. And the good news is it's really holding its price point above $1,000. So if you want to buy Tesla, buying Tesla now at 10.57 is pretty good. It's pretty sweet. We just had a really nice green day, and even though it's up 4%, Tesla is definitely a really solid long-term growth stock for the long term, especially with the whole switching to the electric vehicles. Tesla is 100% ahead of the game in competition, and it's definitely still going to continue to grow, especially with great leadership from Elon Musk. So if you don't want to invest in Tesla, if you think it's already way too high, past 5 years, it's up $1,000 or 2,800%, which is insane gains. There's some other opportunities. You could also look at other electric vehicle manufacturers such as Ford. Ford is a really good one. It has some really solid growth, as you can see here, as they make their switch to the EV space. Lucid Motors, which pulled back quite a bit from its highs of let's see, around $65 per share. The Lucid is at a pretty good price point right now. We also have NIO sitting at pretty low levels. Honestly, really good dip buying opportunity. It's a Chinese company, Chinese electric vehicle maker, but it really is pulling back because of the whole shenanigans. So it's at a good price point that you can buy right now. And you can also buy charging stations. You got Blink Charging right here, doing pretty good. We also got Plug Power, which makes the electric vehicle batteries. And then you also got ChargePoint. I'm a pretty big fan of ChargePoint. A lot of growth opportunities with the stock. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunities. But Tesla, if you want to buy the big boy, you gotta buy the Tesla. Just buying and holding it for long term. Just don't even watch it in your portfolio because the stock is very volatile. As a disclaimer, so it might give you some mixed emotions as you can watch the price go up and down drastically. So the best advice: buying Tesla shares, dollar cost averaging it into portfolio, and just don't even watch the price action. Otherwise, you might have some anxiety and not sleep well at night. So that's about it for this video. Crazy stuff to this guy, and congrats to his massive gain, $6 million on Tesla stock. This is shares alone, not even call options. Imagine if he bought $2 million of call options, he would be he would be pretty rich. But holding Tesla shares, pretty good, safe investment. Honestly, these days, with how well Tesla is doing, you can see on the road many people are buying and driving Tesla Model 3s, S's, X's, Y's. And even the Cybertruck is going to come out soon. A lot of people are going to be ordering that. But that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.